Hi viewers, looks like he just got out of the bath. Takeuchi Ryoma wait here in love with leaves viewers confused typhoon. Ryoma Takeuchi appear as a guest on the TBS information variety show Love It broadcast on August 16. Takeuchi is a popular actor who is currently appearing in the drama series Black Pen Season 2 starring Arashi Kazunari Ninomiya, which is currently being broadcast on the same network. But viewers of Love It on that day were left feeling confused. Look like just got out of the bath typhoon. Takeuchi Ryoma long hair has caused confusion. Takeuchi plays the role of Surgeon Masashi Sera in Black Pen Season 2. Thank you.